What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today I have an early in-hand review for the Air Jordan 1 Low in the University Gold and Black colorway that is scheduled to release in 2021. Now if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I really like Jordan 1 Lows, and even though, it's not everybody's favorite sneaker or anything, it is one of my favorites. I do tend to cop a lot of the colorways that come out. And any sneaker that comes out, if it's a Jordan or a Nike that has, the University Gold and Black colorway, I tend to always kind of pick it up because, I'm a Pittsburgh guy and, it matches all my jerseys and stuff like that. So this sneaker has been on my radar for the past few months, ever since that I seen that it was going to be released in 2021. So when I was on the GOAT app about a week ago, I was searching for the sneaker and there was one for sale and it just happened to be in my size. So I hopped on this so I could bring this early review to you and so I could get the sneaker early and I wouldn't have to fight the masses to pick up the sneaker. I do not have a release date for you at this time. I do expect this to release over in the UK and other parts of the world before it releases in America. So if you're a fan of the Air Jordan 1 Low or you're thinking about picking up this sneaker when it releases, then I hope that this review can help you. So in today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox this sneaker. I'm going to do a full detailed review. I'm going to hit you with an on feet. And then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this Air Jordan 1 Low and the University Gold and Black colorway. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for watching another video. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you guys could take a moment out to do these things that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So I did purchase this sneaker from GOAT, and when it was shipped to me, it came from the Netherlands. So even though I don't have any concrete release dates for this sneaker, I fully expect it to release over in that part of the world before it releases in America. But the package has just arrived, so let's get into the unboxing. So here we go, here's the package. And here it comes in your standard Jordan 1 Low box, which is, the black. It has the gold Jumpman on the top of the lid. It has a gold Jumpman on this side. And the size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Low, University Gold, Black, and White. And this is a size 8. So inside the box, you'll have your white tissue paper with the number 23 in gold imprint all over the paper. And then you're going to have your GOAT verified authentication and quality control. And you will get a GOAT sticker. And let's take a look at the sneaker. Our first look. BAM! I have such an addiction to black and yellow sneakers, and if the silhouette's halfway decent and they slap this colorway on it, you're pretty much gonna get my money. And my first impression right out of the box is this sneaker is clean. It's just a super fire colorway. And I know that the Jordan 1 Low is predominantly a summer sneaker and we're in the winter months right now, but I don't know when exactly they're going to release this, and I know that this is going to sell out pretty much immediately and I'll probably have to pay resale for it anyways, so I just went ahead and did it now. Now if you look at like the Air Jordan 1 Low University Gold and Black that came out, I think it was about a year and a half ago, the resale prices on StockX and GOAT are like $400. And I never pulled the trigger on that because, I missed out on the initial release, and this is only a $90 sneaker, so I wasn't paying $400 for that. But, in this case, I did get this for a pretty good deal. I paid a little bit of resale, obviously, on GOAT, but, I'm glad to have this in my hand right now. But now that I got this sneaker out of the box, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this Air Jordan 1 Low and the University Gold and Black colorway. Alright, so here's our first up-close look at this Air Jordan 1 Low in the University Gold and Black colorway. Now, there's not a whole lot to go over with this sneaker. It does only have basically 2 colors on the whole entire shoe, but it is made up of that, typical leather that you would get with any Jordan 1 Low. Starting here at the top, you will have this black leather part, and then throughout the eyelids, the mid, the back, and the front of the sneaker, you will have that University Gold color. You do have the Nike swoosh in black, And here at the bottom, you have an all-white rubber midsole that sits on top of this black outsole. The inner part of the sneaker is exactly the same as the outer part of the sneaker. There is no real major differences at all whatsoever. Now on the back of the sneaker, you will have this Air Jordan Wings logo stitched in that black threading on top of that University Gold. Now moving to the front of the sneaker, you will have this University Gold on the front toe box with the perforated holes. And something to note, this is not as soft as a lot of other Jordan 1 lows that I have in my collection, and it's not that big of a deal or anything like that, but there is some tension, so it is something to note. Then you will have your black laces that come on the sneaker. No other laces come in the box. And then you're going to have your black nylon tongue with the University Gold outline at the top with the University Gold Jumpman in the center. Inside the sneaker, you will have an all-black sock liner with a black insole with the University Gold Jordan Jumpman on top of the black insole. On the bottom of the sneaker, you do have that all-black outsole with that classic Nike Jordan design that you receive on every Jordan 1 low. There isn't a whole lot to go over as far as the detail of this sneaker. It's pretty simple and basic with its black and yellow colorway. So if you're a fan of black and yellow sneakers the way that I am, or if you're a fan of the Jordan 1 low, then I think that this is a release that you should be looking forward to in 2021. But let me go ahead and throw these on and show you what they look like on feet. Now, in my opinion, this is a super dope sneaker with a fire colorway slapped on it. Now, when it comes to sizing, go true to size. So buy what you would normally wear in a Jordan 1 low, mid, or high. It's a very comfortable sneaker in my opinion. I really do like it a lot. But I want to know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my pickup right here. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Is this trash? Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching another video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for me. And if you're new or you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.